Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have this. This is a little sign you can put outside your door and it says, please do not knock or ring the doorbell. Please call or text and leave packages at the door. So this will be good. So it comes with little hooks on it here so you could screw it in if you wanted to, like right there. And look at how nice this is. It's a really nice looking sign. Let me see, does it come with any? Oh, it comes with a string. So you could put the string through it. So this would be good so I could hang it on my door. Probably should have put the string through the other side, but you get the idea. So you have the string and you could just hang it on your doorknob or whatever, or around, you know, where you would normally hang like a wreath or something like that. So really nice little sign, and it's good. And then let me see what happens if I peel this off here. Is it sticky stuff or is it just a see-through thing? Yep, sticky. So it is a sticky. So you could totally tape that onto the door if you really wanted it to be more permanently affixed. So really cool. And look at how pretty that is. Really nice. It's like, it looks like glass, but it's, I guess, acrylic. But super nice. Thumbs up for sure.